Hello everyone. Hope you're all in the best of spirits, health, and disposition. Welcome to a new video of Quest of Truth. To understand what does it mean when James Tyler Kent tells us that a deviation in the will and understanding of a person is actually the sickness in the person, we'll have to understand what does will and understanding mean. Now, to understand what is will and understanding, we'll have to get to know the term will. To understand what is will, we'll have to go back to the motivation, will, and drive. Motivation leads to will, and will leads to drive. These three things in sequence gets us to understand why does a person do the thing that he or she does. Motivation is the reason for behaving or acting in a particular way. In a sort, it means the purpose. When it is external, it becomes motivation, and when it's internal, it becomes inspiration. So, it is the purpose behind a person doing something. The next point comes in, which is the will. It's the intention. Okay, intention or desire. Intention that leads to desire. It is like first the person wants something, then the person that want transforms itself into need. Okay, and after need it becomes desire. So will is the entity or component that gives you the direction or internal strength to do something. Now comes the drive. The drive is a fact or a feeling that compels a person to do something finally. Okay, it is like a push to do that thing that the person intends to do or the person wills to do. So motivation leads to will. Will means the intention or desire, that desire that actually gives you the direction or the internal strength to do it. The final compulsion or the final stimulus to do it comes from the drive. So now that we know what is will, understanding is the comprehension. Comprehension or awareness and tolerance. Comprehension, awareness, tolerance, and even judgment. Okay, you see, it's a blanket term that covers all of these aspects. Understanding is the insight, comprehension, the way we understand or look at the world. In a nutshell, will is the intention or purpose, and the understanding and comprehension or insight. As you know, that disease first deviates the vital force. Then it comes to the mental level or mind level, where it deviates the will and understanding of the person. Then it comes out to the functional realms underlined by biochemistry, which coincides with the physiological disturbances. Then comes the structural disturbances. It doesn't go straight from internal vital force to directly physiological or structural level. So when it passes through the mental sphere or when it is expressed in the mind of the person, that is where a person can perceive, a physician or a keen observer can perceive the difference in the mental level. Internal deviation in the vital force can not be seen or perceived by a person until and unless it is apparent on the external spheres of the person. So आप अभी इंटरनल वाइटल फोर्स की डिविएशन को नहीं देख सकते, अब तक फिजियोलॉजिकल लेवल पे पहुंचा नहीं है वो डिजीज़, तो कौन से लेवल को आप कैच करेंगे? आप मेंटल स्फीयर को कैच करेंगे या माइंड लेवल को कैच करेंगे, तो आपको समझ में आएगा अच्छा ठीक है, देयर इज समथिंग रॉन्ग विद दिस पर्सन. वैसे हम लोगों को पता चलता है कि डिविएशन इन विल एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग. विल जैसे मैंने आपको बताया इस इंटेंशन और पर्पस, और अंडरस्टैंडिंग नज़रिया कह सकते हैं आप. तो जब वो डिविएट हो जाएगा तो आपको सबसे पहले वो दिखाई देगा. आपको इंटरनल वाइटल फोर्स के ऊपर तो आप नहीं देख सकते. So let's bind all of this together. Deviation in the will and understanding is that which can be seen in a person apparently by a physician. Okay, सबसे पहले हम लोगों को वहाँ पे दिखाई देगा. हालांकि सबसे पहले deviate हो रहा है vital force, लेकिन vital force we cannot measure it, we cannot judge it, we cannot understand it, we cannot perceive it directly until and unless it is expressed out. तो सबसे पहला एक्सप्रेशन कहाँ पे आता है? विल एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे, माइंड लेवल पे पर्टिकुलरली विलन अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे। विलन अंडरस्टैंडिंग यानी उसके इंटेंशन में चेंजेस आने लगते हैं, उसके जजमेंट में, उसके कॉम्प्रहेंशन में, उसके इंसाइट्स में डिफरेंस आने लगते हैं। तो वहाँ पे हम लोग को पता चलता है कि येस, दिस पर्सन इज सिक। देयर यू आर। नाउ यू नो कि how does a deviation in the villain understanding of a person become the sickness in itself. It's not the body that is sick, it is the man himself that is sick. And the man doesn't comprise only of the body, it is the villain understanding inside the person who is the man first. This subject is way too vast to be covered up or completed in a single video of 10 to 15 minutes perhaps, but I've tried my level best to make it as simple and comprehensible as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want any more insights on this topic, please let me know and I'll cover it in the further video. Thank you so much for watching. You have been so patient. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click on the bell icon so that you get the recent updates. Do not forget to share because sharing is caring. Stay safe, stay healthy.